Yeah, I'm Ranu Chahar, working as an AI architect in Infinite. I played the various role of infra architect, product architect, worked on the automation architect. Here on the AI side, in Infinite, my role is to have innovation, bring frameworks, bring new ideas to the table so that it helps the client to have the faster, effective, and the reliable delivery. So since I come from the healthcare background and have a lot of engineering and architecture experience, there was an opportunity in Infinite that tells about the architecture COE. So in the architecture COE, the idea was brought on by our management team. So I think the most important thing is the innovation and the new ideas those are coming in the industry, especially the AI frameworks. So what happens most of the time, that architect is working siloed than the business team. So business team does have different objective, delivery team has different objective, and the architect is having the different objective. So architect mostly look it from technology perspective, delivery person look it from the deliverable perspective, and business is looking some different outcomes. So here as a technical architect, my job is to make sure we are building the frameworks or the POCs that helps the client to have the better ROI. I will start with the buzzword of AI. So we are having the agentic AI everywhere. Client says, or whosoever is coming with the use case, they always prefer to have the AI in those use cases. But we need to understand that AI is not only ChatGPT or the Copilot. It's more than that. So we did build some frameworks. The framework is going to do your assessment on multiple criteria. So that will also tell about whether you are prepared from the data side, whether you are prepared from business outcome side, whether you are prepared from your technical capabilities. So all those 8 areas we are doing the assessment, and that's the base we are creating so that client get beneficial out of the frameworks that we are having. So one of it is doing the assessment, the second one is ROI calculator, the third one is the model recommendation engine, and that's pretty powerful and important because there are 2 million models available in the market. So out of those 2 million, which one to choose is most important decisive factor that makes sure that your project is going to be successful. Because as per Gartner's report, it says 40% of the agentic project will fail by 2026, and there are a handful of reasons. We identified those reasons and we built the framework for that, and that helps the client to adopt it faster and better. So for example, we have seen several use cases where it was very difficult for client to identify which LLM model they should be using. So what we have done, as I talked about in the previous conversation, we have built the AI model recommendation engine. So that model is going to identify which one would be suitable for the use case that you are having. So out of 2 million, we are filtering it to a couple of models. Those will make the impact. So from the cost efficiency and scalability perspective, it goes back to the factory model we are having. So when I say the factory model, first we start with the inception. So we have an idea, the idea where all the pod teams would be involved. Once we go through the idea, then we have the enabler pod. The enabler pod is going to make a lot of frameworks, and then we goes to the factory model. So the factory model is based on the inception pod and the execution enabler pod, and because we have built several frameworks, so that helps us to scale it faster. So if I take an example of AI, agentic AI architecture. So in the agentic AI architecture, what we are doing, we have created AI model recommendation engine, ROI calculator. There are several other frameworks and hundreds of use cases we have already built in. So if any new client is coming, they have the ready-made tools available. They can take the advantage of it and scale it up quickly and faster and effective way. That is very interesting and difficult question. And most of us, including myself, thinks that it is going to replace. But so far what I understood is it is going to create double the opportunities what we are having. It is going to create a lot of areas where we have not worked on. For example, one of the use case I want to talk about from yesterday's meeting is doctor is doing a biopsy of the patient, and a biopsy of the patient requires the understanding of doctor needs to understand it. It's very difficult, or it's the time consuming for doctor to understand the biopsy report. With the help of AI, you are going to give the insight to the doctors. So those are the avenues where we did not have, we never worked on those areas, but right now those are the potential candidates that coming into the picture. So that's one of it. Then there are few other job profiles are also coming. So ethical AI or AI officer or AI model recommendation officer. So plenty of jobs are going to be emerged as part of AI. So the one last conclusion I would say is your role will change. The number of jobs will be doubled in coming years. That's my take on that.